My name is Richard, and I'm a patient of Dr. Justin Wright in Corsicana, Texas. I had been having some problems that we were aware of. I talked to Dr. Wright and came in to see him, and we started on this journey, and it's been a good journey. I had a lot of infection in my teeth, so I came in to see Dr. Wright, and he felt like the best thing to do would be to take them all out and start anew. The more you read about the implants, the better it sounds. I guess I'm a person that doesn't like to fool with having to take care of all of that what goes with the dentures, those removable dentures. I won't have to do anything. They're permanent. I took one Tylenol through all the experience. I did not have any pain afterward. Well, you want a quality of life, and that's what it's going to have to be, where you're pain-free. And then I've been told that if you have bad teeth, it affects your whole health. So mine were bad, so I took this chance. It's going to be worth it.